Most students can't study for 12 hours a day. So why don't you become the exception? That's what James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, once said. When I first heard it, I laughed. Like, seriously? Who studies 12 hours a day? We barely wake up on time. But something inside me said, just try. You lose nothing. I tried, and I failed. Then I tried again, failed again, until I finally discovered 3 strange secrets. And when I applied them, I studied 12 hours a day with 0 burnout, 0 stress, and full focus. Today, I'll share these 3 secrets with you. Watch till the end, because one missing piece will break the system. Let's start. Secret number 1. Rotate subjects. Imagine watching a football match for 90 minutes. Fun, right? Now imagine finishing it, and someone says, let's watch the same match again. No way. You'd be bored, right? Because you already know everything that happened. That's exactly what happens when you study one subject for long hours. Your brain gets bored, tired, and shuts down. So the trick is, switch subjects. Example, 2 hours English, 1 hour physics. Repeat with different subjects. Your brain stays fresh, curious, and active. That's how you survive long study days without feeling like you're dying. Secret number 2. Short breaks equals long power. Think of football again. A match is 90 minutes, split into 2 halves with a break. That break changes everything. Energy, strategy, performance. Studying works the same way. You can't sit 12 hours non-stop. Even if you do, your output will be terrible. So here's the method. Study 50 minutes, break 10 minutes, or 25 minutes, break 5 minutes if you prefer. This keeps your brain sharp the entire day. Try it. Your productivity will explode. Secret number 3, sleep decides everything. Many students think, I need more time, so I'll sleep less. Big mistake. If you sleep 4 to 5 hours, you wake up angry, tired, unfocused. You won't study. You'll just stare at your book. So the rule is simple. Sleep 7 to 8 high-quality hours. Good sleep equals powerful brain equals long study flow.